Hey everyone, welcome back to Electrified Deliveries. Today is Saturday, and guess what Uber's doing again? They are giving me another quest. They've been giving lots of quests lately. This is still the same one where if I do 9 deliveries, I get $27. Increments of 3, $6, $9, $12. If I do 9 deliveries, total of $27. Yes, I'll take it. Free money for me. What else is free money? Is this offer. $13.04, 20 minutes. Absolutely yes. One pickup and one drop off. Absolutely love that. Let's go get some fat bastard burrito. For Maddie, thank you. Appreciate that. Have a good night. Hi, delivery for Maddie. Thanks. You got it?
Have a good night.
Thank you. Take care. So unfortunately, that took a little longer than I would have liked. It took about 23 minutes all in. I was waiting at that restaurant. There was one person working, just took forever. Finally, I got it delivered. She seemed happy. Then I got this one, $7.45 for 22 minutes. I wasn't really going to take it. I wasn't sure, but my goal tonight, I just want to keep moving. I just want to make my money, cash my incentive. Hopefully it's ready. We can cut that time down, maybe under 20, and keep the night rolling. Ubereats for Lucas.
All the dips are inside.
Oh, perfect. Just checking on that. Beautiful. Thank you. Have a good night. You too.
Hey, how are you?
Not too bad. There you go, sir.
I just got to grab my...
Oh, I don't want to put this light in your eye.
Yeah, no worries. Oh, my cat's in there.
That last pizza was ready. It only took 15 minutes all in. Loved it. Right away, they gave me this one, $5.34 for 16 minutes. I know you're questioning, why the hell am I taking an offer like that? Well, let me tell you why. It's going to get me the first tier of the quest, an extra $6. I'm going to have this first hour done with over $30. That's why. I can't wait to pick this up and get hour number 2 rolling. Ubereats for Mitch. Mitch, yes. Awesome, thank you. Hi, Ubereats for Mitch?
Yes.
There you go, sir. Enjoy.
Thank you so much. Beautiful night.
You too. Take care. Oh, hour number 2 is starting off strong. Take a look at this one, $9.40 for 25 minutes. This restaurant's typically ready, and if it is, it's definitely done under 20. Let's go pick it up.
Sophia, be 1 minute.
I'm picking up for Sarah, Uber.
Sarah?
She's ready. Appreciate it. Thank you. Thankfully, that one didn't take too long, and a few minutes after the drop-off, Uber gives me this one, $9.38 for 19 minutes. Yes, this is going to complete Tier 2 of the quest, which means an extra $9 for me. I've been getting a lot of quests lately. I've been getting a lot of these incentives. I'm starting to wonder why they're giving so many lately. I haven't seen any most of the year, but now they're doing that. Are you getting more incentives? Are you seeing it a lot more lately? Let me know in the comments. Also, I'd love to know if these incentives work on you. I get excited for them because sometimes if it's a slow night, it can take a bad night to a good night and good night to a great night. And sometimes it just pisses me off. I think we've all seen that. But I'd love to know, do they work on you? Do you make money off of it? Or is it business as usual? I'd love to know your thoughts in the comments. Let me go grab this and we'll see you in a bit.
Ah, the delivery guy.
Ubereats for Mariah, please.
It's ready.
Sure, no problem. Thank you. Did they give you a quest for tonight?
Yep.
Okay.
There's 2 quests tonight.
Yeah, at 10 o'clock too, yeah.
I think well, I don't know if this counts as 2 orders, because if it does, that means
If you get a double, then it is 2, yeah.
then I'm pretty much then I've maxed out already, and I still have
Still.
2 hours left. So I
There you
can't
go.
really- But here's the thing that I feel like they'll do it is the 2 separate orders.
Yeah.
Go to the same place to go into the same place.
They still give you 2.
Oh, did they?
Yeah, I've had that before.
Well, that's good. 'Cause
Yeah.
It just makes
it easier for you. Yeah. Pretty much.
Do you have a camera?
Yeah.
So you don't get like in shit or what?
Yeah, it just records the whole night. They can't ever say I didn't deliver. They can't say I tampered. You can't.
That's fair. That's why I take a camera. I take a photo of everything.
Oh yeah, I do that. I've had Uber say that I didn't deliver, and I'm like, can you tell me which one? I can supply the footage.
And I guess what happened.
They ignore you.
They back down real quick.
They just stop talking to you. Mariah, thank you. That's okay. You too. You gave me another one when I got to my car for Lucas.
I saw, few more minutes.
Okay,
Yeah. There you go.
perfect.
Thank you.
Thanks. You too. How you doing?
Not too bad. How are you?
Doing well, thank you.
Good.
Got your wings for you. There you go, sir. Enjoy. Oops, sorry about that.
No, it's all good. Thank you.
Take care. Unfortunately, I had to wait way too long for that last order. That's a restaurant that's normally on it. I have never waited there in my life until today. She said they were busy, and I can see it. She was pumping out orders. Unfortunately, they weren't mine. When I finally got back to the car, Uber gives me a plus $10, which could have a hidden tip, because they give you a $2 base pay on that, plus the $8 that they might be hiding. Who knows? I'll take the $10, especially since I was waiting. And immediately, Uber is not playing games today. They gave me this double right away. $12.13 for 30 minutes. That's going to complete my quest. That turns into $24. But wait, there's more. They also gave me another add-on for the same restaurant, plus $6.07 for 10 minutes. And the first 2 orders, that first double, it's going to the same place. This is going to be great. Let's keep the night going. Hi, Ubereats for Sam. Awesome. Thank you. You too. Hi, picking up Ubereats, 2 orders, Sam and Temiola.
Not ready yet. It's going to be ready like in 5-10 minutes.
Okay, sure. This is Temiola?
Yep.
Okay.
If you guys have any doubts, also
Sam.
here's the name. So.
Sam R, yeah. Okay, thank you. I haven't set my bags anyway.
Okay.
Thank you. How you doing today? What's that?
Good.
Good, good. I got your food and drinks for you. Here's your food, and I got your Coke. There you go. Thank you. Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
Good. Got your dinner for you.
Yeah, okay.
No
I
problem.
said to go Mexican this time.
I'm sorry?
I said to go Mexican.
Oh, yeah. It was happening there, too.
Oh, okay.
Thank you. Have a good night. So that's going to bring my night to a close. My grand total for tonight, $107.42. I'm pretty happy with that, just under 4 hours of work. But it brings me back to the question I asked earlier regarding the incentives in the quest. I chased it. I got it. An extra $27. I would be at $80 right now, and I would be working probably another hour chasing that extra 20 bucks to get to the same point we're at right now. It definitely worked out in my favor, and I'm always happy when I make 100 or more. But if you've made it this far, please like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, really helps the channel, and we'll see you next time.